very excited. Today is a very easy day for me. Mostly just reacting to one of my co-actors, Mrinalini. Is her name in the series, and her actual name is Regina Cassandra, and she's doing the first time Vikram Sarabhai meets Mrinalini's character in the show, and she comes on the stage as Sita. So I'm excited to watch her perform, and excited because Malika Sarabhai is here, who is choreographing the dance and all of the dance sequences in the show. And she's also such a fascinating personality. We were just talking about how she toured for 5 years with Peter Brook in the Mahabharata. That's all cool, man. It's really, this show is just bringing so many interesting different stories together in a way that I can't wait to see it.
सो हाउ कितना मुश्किल था ये कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रे करना, क्योंकि अभी भी शूट्स हो रही है, तो अभी बता पाएंगे आप जो
एक्चुअली एक चीज़ है कि मुझे अपने रोल के बारे में बात करने को पसंद नहीं है, क्योंकि बिफोर द शो कम्स आउट व्हाई वुड I want to change what an audience might feel naturally themselves? I'm much more interested in waiting and hearing what they have to say about it than me say how difficult it was, blah, 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 blah. If people liked it and want to ask me questions, then I'm more excited.
साथ में निखिल सर भी यहाँ थे, तो
हाँ.
उनसे कैसा कोलैब रहा, क्या कुछ एक्सपीरियंस उनके साथ रहा?
एक्चुअली ज़्यादातर मैं अबे पन्नू के साथ
ओके
शूट कर रहे हैं. सिर्फ मिस्टर अडवाणी सर वो आते हैं सिर्फ यूजुअली जब 2 यूनिट है और जब अभय भी बिजी है तो फिर निखिल सर आते हैं. I like him very much. I like working with him. But the truth is, I've only really what's the phrase in English? It's dug my teeth in. I've more dug my teeth in with Abhay Pannu, who is the director of the entire series and also in a way the writer creator. I've actually been on board with this show for many years. Many years ago they approached me, then nothing happened. Then Abhay rewrote the script and we've moved forward with that script, and so I love working with him. I think he's very, very, very good and nuanced and interesting and interested in your ideas and interested in how you want to play the scene, and he gives you the freedom to really want to create and complicate and do masti and have some fun also. I don't think that people should expect very serious scientists, because nobody is actually like that. If you know doctors, you know that there are all kinds of doctors. If you know scientists, there are all kinds of scientists. Some are serious, some are funny, some are lighthearted, some are more, just only focused on work. So in this show, we're showing many different kinds, all coming together.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू.
Welcome.